What's up everyone? Jason Flagel here with another video to help you as a business owner, a sales professional, or a digital marketing specialist learn how to use ChatGPT to generate leads and sales for your business or your clients or your e-commerce store, whatever you're looking to do. If you are involved in selling, then this is a video for you. So ChatGPT is a tool that is developed by the company OpenAI. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a type of AI that uses machine learning algorithms to generate human-like text. I have been doing so many videos on it recently. It is mind-blowing everything that you can do with it. I am pumped to be educating people on the power of this new tool. As one of my awesome mentors and the companies I've worked with, Zig Ziglar, said in the past, to sell is to serve. And one of my favorite quotes by him is, you can have everything in life if you just help enough other people get what they want. That's what sales is all about. So in this video, we're going to unpack the top 7 ways that ChatGPT can help you with sales, lead generation, automating your time, doing time management, automating your tasks with like your sales CRM tools. There's a lot. We're going to dive into it. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. And welcome back everyone. So let's dive into these top 7 ways that ChatGPT can help sales professionals or people in the sales industry. So number 1 is lead generation. ChatGPT and a chatbot powered by ChatGPT can actually help sales professionals, salespeople, anyone who needs sales, capture the right contact information for your targeted demographic. Let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT how it can help with lead generation. So when I asked it this question, how can you help sales professionals with lead generation, it didn't output any specific elements of lead gen that most salespeople are aware of, or digital marketing professionals, but it does give a list of ways that sales professionals can generate the leads themselves. So you've got networking, cold outreach, social media, content marketing. I just did a great video on content marketing using ChatGPT for SEO and content marketing. So definitely recommend checking that out in the comment section, link down below. You've got referrals, paid advertising, and lead magnets. A lot of ChatGPT can actually assist you developing different things there, but specifically for lead generation, there's a lot of work that has to go in here. So you can use ChatGPT for some of these things, like, create a cold outreach campaign, social media posts, content marketing. ChatGPT can do all of that. Can also generate paid ad. In my other video, I talk about an example creating an entire PPC campaign using ChatGPT, and lead magnets like ebooks, white papers, like it mentions here. ChatGPT can easily generate the content for that. Now, obviously, Google is going to be cracking down. Search engines are going to be cracking down on ChatGPT content. So you want to take this as a example, starting point, and then kind of customize it and refine the content from there, especially using tools if it's going to be online for SEO, like Ahrefs or SEMrush, to really make sure that you're optimizing it for SEO. So again, you can kind of use this as a good starting point. So one of the great areas with lead generation that ChatGPT can help with is connected to a CRM for managing and tracking those leads. Like, let's say for Salesforce, for example, we can type in, write a validation rule for Salesforce contacts that passes Pardot connector. And here it is writing a validation rule for Salesforce with the exact formula that you need. So really great example there. What about other CRMs like HubSpot? So I typed, can you write me formulas for contacts in HubSpot CRM? And it is popping out a few examples of formulas that can be used in the HubSpot CRM. So you've got number of days since contact's last activity. You've got contacts age based on date of birth. So there's a lot here depending on the particular example of what you're looking to do in HubSpot. Throw it in ChatGPT and see what it can do, or any other CRM for that matter for checking your leads. All All right, number 2 way that ChatGPT can help with sales is qualifying the leads. What about qualifying them? So qualifying leads is really important so that you can make sure that these are the right people that you're talking to and they are worth your time. Go ahead and ask, what are some questions to ask sales leads? So I asked it the qualifying questions and it is popping out 9 awesome qualifying questions here that are really, really important to add. So I asked it qualifying questions for leads using HubSpot CRM. So here's a great example of it coming up with more of the specific use cases and questions to qualify those leads. So these are really important questions to be able to analyze, make that decision. Hey, are these the right leads to spend time on it or not? And then you just go in HubSpot and adjust those particular leads, those contacts to make sure they are worth your time. So number 3 is using ChatGPT to answer customer questions, usually through a chatbot. So I just typed in ChatGPT, how can ChatGPT answer customer questions or lead questions? Here it is talking about, hey, you'll need to set up a chatbot that uses GPT as the language model. So like if a customer asks, hey, what's your return policy? If you're like a e-commerce store, chatbot could take that, then pass it into the ChatGPT model and generate a response. And then it comes up with a response here, like our return policy allows customers to return items, blah, 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 whatever kind of copy you want it to say. So to implement ChatGPT, it's telling you here are the 4 main ways to do that. So you train the ChatGPT model, then you're going to set up the chatbot and then integrate it. And then that's when you can start to generate user response and then test and refine it. I'm not going to go into all the detail of setting up a chatbot on your website. Most of you watching this video have interacted with the chatbot on a website before. Hopefully I will do a full video on creating a chatbot using ChatGPT to help create it. But let's go ahead and move on. So number 4 is providing personalized recommendations to your leads. So I typed in, how can you help provide personalized recommendations to leads? There's several ways to provide personal recommendations. So this is really important because when you're engaging in sales, to sell is to serve. I worked with the Ziglar Corporation a number of years ago, and Zig Ziglar was the master of sales. And he said to sell is to serve. Everything is selling. So you want to make sure when you're working or communicating with your leads that you are finding the best ways to serve them and coming up with personalized recommendations, ways to make them feel really good. You want to segment the leads. You want to make sure you know them and you know them well. You're using the data and analytic. This can be done in the particular CRM that you're using, HubSpot, Salesforce, whatever that is. You want to personalize the message. Chatbots, again, here's another example where it's recommending chatbots to talk in real time on the website. Utilize social media. So yeah, tagging them in different posts, doing shout outs when they said something. Really, really important things to do when you're doing personalized recommendations to your leads. So you can see you can use ChatGPT for a lot of these different things to help you go through that process of creating those personalized recommendations. Number 5 is just helping out with customer service. So of course, as you saw with the chatbot, you can actually set up a chatbot to help answer any kind of questions, issues that the leads might have, any kind of things that come up. If there is a chatbot on the website, training it to answer questions that the leads have or customers have, that's another great way you can use ChatGPT in the sales process. Number 6 is to reduce your workload as a sales professional. So I typed it in and here's what it came out with. Generate personalized emails, direct mail. Again, check out some of my other videos. I've used ChatGPT to generate so many email pieces of content and copy now that it can do. Got the ability to answer the customer questions, again, like through a chatbot. I used an example in my SEO and content marketing video of an acne ointment treatment like cream, throwing in, hey, how do you treat, a rash or something with acne? But it was a great starting point. Creating sales proposals based on the lead's needs and interests, creating the different proposals that need to go out, data entry. So this is really important. Again, you kind of saw earlier with the Salesforce HubSpot. If you got a question, you're struggling, you want to improve your efficiency using those tools, ask ChatGPT and you're going to be able to get the answers that you need. So number 7 one is to optimize your time. Dropped in the prompt, what is the best way to optimize my time as a sales professional to generate leads? And it's giving out some great recommendations here. You've got 6 awesome ways that it says to do that. Setting your goals, use time management tools, networking, automation, prioritization, and delegating tasks. So what it is actually going to do is optimize your time. Instead of, maybe closing 1 or 2 deals a day or 1 or 2 deals a week or a month, double that, triple that now thanks to ChatGPT, adding it into your workload. It is a very, very powerful tool. How can I use ChatGPT for time management? And it's giving great examples here for automating the routine tasks, even generating some of the reports. So, and some of the CRMs, you can actually do this to generate the reports. If you have a particular CRM, throw it into ChatGPT and ask it, hey, how do you generate a report in, HubSpot CRM? So I was curious to see what it would come up with when I typed in, how can you help with delegating tasks? Giving me basically a list of recommendations on how I can start to delegate it. So identify the tasks that can be delegated and then follow up and provide feedback. So that's great. You can tie this now into the sales CRM that you're using and literally document each of those steps right there in that process. And there you have it. Those are the 7 ways that ChatGPT can help boost your sales, double, triple, potentially closing more of the sales. Start to integrate this now. If you have any questions, issues, things, concerns about what I mentioned in the video, drop them in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. We are releasing so many videos here on ChatGPT, AI, machine learning, and the power of what it can do to help people just like you. So be sure to smash the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. A lot more exciting videos coming soon. Definitely stay tuned for more of that coming soon. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to keep moving forward, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.